Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add tokens to your MetaMask. Import your tokens easily. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now on our main page for MetaMask, and before we do anything, we need to make sure that we are using the correct account, since it's very easy to have multiple accounts on MetaMask, and so there might be a small mistake. To do so, all you have to do is click on the top button right here and double check that you are on the correct one, since each account and each wallet will have different tokens on it. So maybe if you have lost it, then it might be on another wallet. Now, for you to get any token you would like and import it, all you have to do is select on the token section right here. And then from here, you're going to click on the plus button that is on the right section. Now from here, it's going to allow you to choose whatever network you would like. So there are multiple networks. The current one is Ethereum, but the popular networks can range from any other one. From here, you're going to choose whatever network you would like, and then from here, you're going to choose whatever token you would like. So for example, if I search for any other one, as you can see, there are many different ones. So Binance USD, if I click on it right here, and then click on next, and then simply click on import, then right here in 2 seconds, you will see it right there. And now it's imported to my tokens. And now we have different options as well. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.